So, we now have a canvas with 4 concepts on it. We are still missing one core piece to a conceptual model, the relationships. How can we create those relationships? That's very easy. When you hover over a concept, you see 4 dots. You can click a dot, drag to another concept, and it will create a relationship for you. As you can see, we have 3 fields in the relationship details sidebar. We have a name, description, and a cardinality. The name and cardinality are not optional, description is. Let's say we have this as an example. An account generates a statement, but it can only generate one statement. We can just change the cardinality. We have one-to-many, many-to-many, one-to-one, and all different sort of options. Let's say an account can only generate one statement. You can just click and it will auto-update. Now you can see an account can make one statement.